Hello everyone, Taylor here with my 2001 V-Star 1100 Custom. I was wanting to do a review on my Viking Voyager Premium Sissy bar bag. Vikingbags recently sent me this to try out, and so far I'm enjoying it. It's got a lot of pockets. I'll go do the whole 360 so you can see everything. It's got Velcro straps to mount to Sissy bar, plus it's got 4 points of tie down, so it makes it a little sturdier. It's got a bag here on the side, so if you want to put gloves or rain gear, it's nice to do that. Plus it's got a sunglass pocket or safety glasses, whatever you prefer. It's got one on each. It's got another one of those pockets down here. So starting at the top, we got an upper storage container, which there's a zipper here. If you zip it closed, it'll separate your items. So if you want to, have your shoes separate, hat separate, or anything like that, you can. But you still got the option to unzip and fold down and make it one piece if you don't need to separate anything, which is nice. It's got a mesh pocket up here, so if you want to have documents or anything like that, it's perfect for that. Go to the front pocket here. It's got a place up here which you could put more documents, more storage, pens, paper, insurance information, whatever you need to put. Now the main pocket is very, very big. You could store a bunch of stuff in here. I'm gonna guess up to at least 2 weeks if you're going on a big trip, which is nice. Has a pocket up front here for your laptop, if you gotta take your laptop or iPad, whatever, with you. It's got some side pockets, mesh pockets on the side, and then this is what I was talking about. You can zip this up, and now it's separate from your clothes. So if you want to put shoes up here, and or your riding boots, they might be dirty, and you don't want them getting with your clothes, you can separate it. Or all you have to do is flip this over, unzip it, this folds down, fold that back down, and now you have a whole compartment of storage, one piece, nothing separate. It also comes with a rain cover, which is nice. I'm not too for sure, but with the zipper quality and everything, I think even in a light rain, I think you would be all right. I think it's mainly for heavier rains you need that. It also comes with a shoulder strap, so if you're wanting to go away from a bike, or you got to go to a hotel, or you're staying somewhere, you definitely want to be able to carry it, which it's got D-rings, so if you need to hook stuff to it. And then here are the D-rings for the shoulder straps, and they just go up. Plus it's got a carrying handle if you don't like the shoulder strap. But yeah, it looks like a pretty solid bag, and I'm pretty excited to get out and try it out and see how good it really is. But the quality's there. So if you're looking for a saddle bag or Sissy bar bag, I think Vikingbags is the way to go. So, all right, thank you very much.